say, well, maybe they're just not aware of it. And so the CIO says, great, let's fix that. Get up an intranet site to publish all of our data sets, and do it in 24 hours or you're fired. Oh, and by the way, that data and all the code is government property and secret, and if it leaves our firewall, you're also fired. So I'm joking a little bit. I wasn't actually going to be fired, and it wasn't precisely 24 hours, but I'm putting those constraints in here because it's entirely doable and not even difficult to do it in less than 24 hours and completely inside the firewall. I'm going to show you how. So let's kick it off here. So from the Nebula 1 dashboard, going to go ahead and log in. First thing you'll see here is the home screen, which gives you access to different parts of the system. I'm going to use the Compute Cloud app here to provision some infrastructure. I've got a virtual team that I want to work with, so we're going to use Etherpad Lite to do some collaboration in real time. First thing I need to do is set up a security group for Etherpad. Security groups allow traffic in and out, kind of like firewall. And I just happen to know which ports Etherpad needs, so I'm going to open up 22 so I can SSH to it and get everything configured. And I'm going to open up port 9001 because that's what Etherpad runs in. So with that done, I can now go ahead and launch a generic Ubuntu image. It'll spin up a server from that image and use my security group, and it'll give it a small size just to give it enough cores and capacity to run well. And go ahead and launch that. And this one will come up relatively quickly once we launch it here. You can kind of get the sense as we go through Etherpad here. This is the old way of deploying an application. This is the manual way.